Namaskar. Welcome to Dr. Rao's Temple of Learning. This is your YouTube channel, Spiritual Management Course. Today we are discussing 26th independent discourse entitled as Parallel Universe Around Us. Yes, this is Dr. A.P. Rao, Vice President, Telecom Division, High Physics Laboratory India Private Limited, MIDC Ranjangaon, Pune, Maharashtra, India. So, welcome to 26th Independent Discourse Parallel Universe Around Us. The understanding through the course of spiritual management says the universe in which we are is called Brahmand, and our earth is named as Bhuvarlok in Sanskrit. There is a scope and space between the earth and sun and is known to be the physical world of gross matter. Basically, the word Loka is translated as world or realm or plane of existence. So is the name given Bhuvarlok. Spiritual management suggests, according to Indian mythological literature, there may be more than one universe around us. Let us see the findings of the spiritual management. Parallel universes do exist and are already reaching out to us. This is a confirmation given by the Western scientists. The three views of our planetary system looks like where all the planets move in their own orbit in a particular manner. The impression of our home galaxy called Milky Way is organized into four spiral arms. This is a scientific finding and it is provided by NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, America. What the religion or Indian mythology or philosophy says about the universe. There are 14 parallel realms from the gross to the subtle called Lokas. These are different dimensions of existence or different levels of being or may be called as consciousness. The three broad realms are shown in symbolic picture. The heaven or Swargaloka is the upper portion of the sky and it spread from Satya to Bhuvarloka. The part 1 of the picture, head to belly. Second portion is earth, that is called Mrityaloka, relatively lower portion or altitude of sky. It is called Bhuvalok, growing. In Hindi we call it Usandhi, पेट और जांग के बीच का हिस्सा, that is shown in the middle in this symbolic picture. Then third portion is the underworld. They call it Patal Lok, subterranean realm of universe, and it spreads from Atal to Patal Lok, symbolically legs in the picture. These are the three worlds as higher, middle, and lower spheres of the universe as per the spiritual management approach. A three-tier model of universe is already investigated. Earth is encircled by the sea, Persian Sea or Gulf in the east, Mediterranean Sea in the west, Black and Caspian Sea in the north, and Arabian Sea or Red Sea in the south. And spiritual management speaks this model in this way. Heaven is known to be the realm of God, and underworld is below the earth. Upper altitude or heaven is called Swargalok. Underworld is called Patal and lower altitude, that is earth and its atmosphere, is called Bholok, that is in the middle, where our sun, moon and stars are observed in the sky. There is a combination of science and mythology in the three-layered planetary systems and the 14 realms in the model of universe. As per the spiritual management and Indian mythology, the seven upper planetary systems are Bhuvalok, Bhuvarlok, and Swarlok, also called Swargalok, shown in first picture, and Maha, Jana, Tapa, and Satya are called Mrityulok. The imagination of Mrityulok is shown in this second picture. The seven lower planetary systems are called Patal Lok, or Tal, Atal, Vital, Nital, Talatal, Mahatal, and Sutal. See how scientifically this universe is categorized in a very scientific way by the spiritual management. In this picture, from center of the earth, we can see the seven lokas above and seven lokas below. So Bhuvar Loka is on the earth, and just above it they call a Loka, which is consisting of the Rakshasas and ghosts. One of such segments above the earth is called Pretaloka, where departed souls from the earth resides. This is the information in the Indian mythology. The Pritloka are very real beings, a form or body consisting or made up of air and sky elements. To note that the Indian mythology says there are five basic elements as earth, water, fire, air, and sky. The Pritloka is known to be the realm or world of the departed souls or spirit. These are the type of supernatural beings described in Hinduism, Buddhism, Taoism, Chinese, and Vietnamese folk religion. In Hinduism, a realm where wandering spirit of a dead person who is not at rest resides. In Buddhism, a realm is defined of an unrestingly ghost tortured insistently by hunger and thirst. There is a concept of hungry ghost in Chinese Buddhism. These philosophies represent beings who are driven by intense emotional needs of an animalistic way. Naturally, we can see the physical objects that can reflect light rays. Objects in parallel universe would be outside the range of the light rays in our universe. Note that, however, we experience our own sensations directly without the mediation of light rays. As per the spiritual management approach, there may be more than one universe around us that can be sensed by human organs. One of them is only termed as Pretaloka or Pritloka in Indian mythology. These are known to be non physical objects but having a quantum of energy and can be sensed by humans or animals. The brain is the organ of mind, just as the lungs are the organs of respiration. Mind is proposed to be an energy or pure mental state which detects and reacts to stimuli it encounters through sensory signals. Nowadays, quantum physics and other branches of science are seriously considering the existence of soul. The soul has been frequently described as a body of unknown energy coupled to human body by means of a mutual interaction. This type of energy, from the viewpoint of physics or science, has been considered as imaginary energy. Finally, our perspective only matters to know about ultimate truth of the nature. In the picture, you can see the truth and you can see the two images of the truth. Two different perspectives of the object as a square or circle. Nothing is true or both are true. This is truth as per the spiritual management approach. This is rather the only truth. This is nature. As a concluding remark, we may say that the parallel universe in quantum mechanics is theorized as existing alongside of our own, although undetectable. A science magazine had published a feature from neutrino detection experiment in Antarctica that posits there is an antimatter universe extending backward from the Big Bang, where the time runs backward. The spiritual management approach teaches us through its mythological literature that there are 14 realms in our universe as narrated in this discourse. And one such realm is Pritloka, for which no scientific experimentation is available till date. That's all for this discourse. Thank you very much.